Hi, this is Random Fix, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Xtool D7S. And this is the box right here that it comes in. It's got a nice little handle, and we got some information here on the side, and that's got world-class support, one-click upgradable, the most useful services and features, nothing on the back, and on the side it has the serial number and some other information as far as the voltage for the adapter. So let's go ahead and open it up. And here is going to be the box that it comes with. It comes with a hard shell box. And in here we have an owner's manual, the OBD2 connector, the power adapter, and the power adapter input. So you can go ahead and plug it into a European socket or a US socket. Both are included. USB to USB cable. And up top, we have the scan tool itself. So there's the scan tool. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I've already went ahead and activated this. So if you guys wanna check out my full review, go ahead and do so. I'll have a link to it down below. Thanks again, and have a great day.